Okay, this is just a quick video about the Mi Band 4 not connecting to GPS. So there's been a few times where I'll switch the watch on, if you can see that, come up to the workouts menu, and I'm quite often trying to use the cycling menu, and then it's looking for a signal and it's just not picking up. It does this quite often. The app's on, it's connected by Bluetooth, connected by GPS, and the watch is just, for whatever reason, not picking up the signal. It's an infrequent issue, but it does happen quite a lot. I'm using the Android app, but you'll see, I mean, I'm sat indoors now, which isn't great for GPS, but this happens outside a lot too. So you'll see in a minute, it's just going to keep searching, and then eventually it just errors out. So if I drop the screen down on the camera quickly, and we'll just jump into the app. What I've found works is, if you can see this, if you get down to profile and then you want to click on your device here, so for me it's the Mi Smart Band 4, scroll up in this menu, and then if you hit the Find Band button, that will just buzz the watch. And then if I just bring this back up again, so the watch has just been buzzed, and then come up to the workouts menu again, click on cycling, and then almost immediately it's done the workout load successfully. So for me, that's just a really quick way that I found to get that GPS issue working. I'm hoping it's going to get fixed in some kind of firmware update soon. I'm imagining it's just some kind of setting between the app and the phone where it's just going into some kind of idle state, but that's just a quick workaround that I've come up with, so I hope it helps. Cheers for watching.